Welcome, friends. Today, we're doing another unboxing video. Marvelous. That is right, my friends. Once again, I have returned to you, this time with another unboxing video. And today we'll be unboxing, as you can tell from the title, Sirocco from Les Indemodables. Now, let me give you some background about how I came to own this bottle. I found out and have known that Les Indemodables would be releasing a new fragrance a few months ago, and I was like, ooh, what's it going to be? Couldn't find anything out. And then about 2 months ago, found out it was like an orange blossom fragrance. And I was like, that's interesting. Found out like the release was going to be at the beginning of June. And I was like, yes. So I got in touch with Les Indemodables and I said, when's it going to be released? And they were like, soon. Because I don't have Instagram or anything like that. But Valerie was like, oh, I'll send you like the discovery kit with the like 2 special ingredients in it, which is the same thing they did for patchouli noisette and what's the other one? Ambre supreme. So they sent me these, look. The discovery kit is like a little 7mm thing, which apparently they're selling. Or they've sold. And then it comes with these 2 ingredients. And the 2 ingredients they sent were Orange Blossom Absolute from Morocco and Royal Cinnamon Extract from Laos. Well, these are the 2 featured ingredients. They like to do things like this, but previously, when I had bought my Vetiver de Pierre and Ambre Stone de l'Atelier from Valerie, she sent me this ceramic, and on said ceramic she had sprayed Orange Sirocco, and I was convinced it had ambergris in it because it got something of Ambre Supreme in it. But I don't know that it does now. It could just be something like Ambroxan or something like that. But not to worry, it's not a featured note. Anyway, I smelled this, I tried it, I liked it, and I thought, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to buy a bottle. So I got in touch with Brooke, who is the distributor in the UK, and I said, hello, I'd like to make a haul. And so during her Saint-Celier Day deal, which is the 6th of June, she does 20% off for 24 hours. And so I put in a haul, including this, and I said, just when this comes in, just send it. And here we are. That's how we have arrived here, you know? So let us unbox the fragrance, and I will tell you what I think. Here is, oh God, that used to be made of like polyethylene or some kind of like squidgy kind of thing, but it's not, it's cardboard now. So the environment will be happy. And here is the bottle. It is standard Les Indemodables fare, you know. Orange Sirocco, surrounded by its kin, its travel atomizer, discovery set, and its 2 notes. I shall be doing, well, I've done a first impression, so the next video I suppose I'll do on this will be a review, but that will not be for a few months, at least, because I will need to spend some time with it. I definitely think it's a summer fragrance, and my first impressions were very positive. I wouldn't say that they've changed in aspect of them being positive, but I understand the fragrance a bit better now. There's more to it. Excuse me. Excuse me. I've had a tickly cough all day. I don't know what's going on. This is white floral, but I really like the way that it's done, actually. And that's not like me. But yes, we will see. I will spend some time with it. You'll probably see it in the rotation. I definitely think it's a summer fragrance. And that is it. Thanks very much, everybody. I will see you all again soon.